Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Village of South Walton 219 short of paradise. It's a non-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Located in Rosemary Beach in the Florida region, with Rosemary Beach and Inlet Beach nearby, Village of South Walton 219 short of paradise provides accommodations with free Wi-Fi and free private parking. Each unit comes with a balcony, a fully equipped kitchen with a dishwasher, a seating area, a TV, a washing machine, and a private bathroom with bath and a hair dryer. Deer Lake State Park Beach is 1.7 miles from the condo hotel, while Russell Fields Pier is 10 miles away. The nearest airport is Northwest Florida Beaches International Airport, 21 miles from Village of South Walton 219 short of paradise. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.